Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I am back with another video. In case you don't know, मैंने एक वीक का ब्रेक लिया था YouTube पे और Instagram पे भी. So yeah, if you are new here, hi, I am Dimple. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and join this family. And I am conducting a giveaway on my channel, as most of you might already know, because on 30th May we have finished 1 year on YouTube and crossed 13k subscribers on Instagram. So this is a huge moment for me to celebrate. So as a thank you and for your love and support, in return I am conducting another giveaway on my channel. All the details will be listed down below in the description box and on my community post as well, and Instagram as well. So be sure, if you haven't followed me there, make sure you follow there also. This is my Instagram handle and it is linked in the description box as well. I'm literally very happy and thankful to all of you who supported me on this journey, throughout this journey, who have been with me forever. I definitely recognize you guys, and I know the people who are being with me from the start on this channel. So thank you guys, thank you so much, and I really appreciate your love and support. And without further ado, let's directly dive into the video. So let's start with the makeup first, because I literally have bought a lot of makeup products. So very first thing which I'm going to share with you guys are these Swiss Beauty loose pigments. These are really very nice. Let me show you. I cannot see the names of the shade, so I'll list in the description box. I'll mention every shade. So first I picked up this blue one. Let me give you the swatch of it. So the quality of this eyeshadow, eye pigments, are really very nice. As you can see, these are foiled. These are not overly glittery or chunky. So this is how the swatch looks like. Let me give you the another swatch of the shade. And these are now very blendable. I'm surprised. इस price range में ये quality मिलना. I have a Huda Beauty का palette as well. इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी pigment उसमें भी नहीं आती है, उस palette में भी नहीं आती है. These are the two shades which I picked, and I'm thinking of picking up few more shades in this range, because I really am impressed with the quality of these shadows. Now moving on to the other product which I picked up is again a eyebrow product. So this is a NYX ka tinted brow mascara, and so this is how actually it looks like. Let me show you the wand. So I picked up the shade Espresso, because I have a dark hair, so I thought this might work better on my eyebrows. And it costed me 500 something. I don't know how it turns out, because अभी तक मैंने इसको use नहीं किया है. Actually, let me try. I have already filled in my brows, so let me see how this goes on top of that. So this is supposed to give you little tint on your brows, and to keep your brow hairs in place. About the pigment I cannot say anything, because मैंने already अपनी brows को जो है वो fill in कर रखा है, but it does looks nice. I don't know how it performs on its own. I'll let you know in my upcoming videos, of course. So my next purchase is again from NYX. It is a soft matte lip creme in the shade Cannes. It is actually a repurchase, because I literally love this color. This lip color looks so beautiful on my lips. This is a pinky brownie nude kind of a shade. This is a perfect nude for my skin tone. Not nude, actually a neutral. It is pretty dark, as you can see, so it doesn't wash out my complexion. This is a perfect shade for me, and for the sake of this shade I repurchased it multiple times. This is a fifth or sixth time I'm repurchasing this lip shade, because the only downside of this lip color is, I mean this product, is the quantity. I mean for the price they charge, they provide such a less quantity, बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है. Because मेरी लाइफ में मैंने कोई भी लिपस्टिक ऐसी नहीं है जो entirely finish की हो. Expect this. I mean this is the exceptional. So next I purchased is again an eye product. It is a white kajal from Kiko Milano. Let me give you the swatch first. So it is pretty pigmented, but it is not smudge proof. It is horrible product. For the price they have charged, I regret buying this. ये बहुत ही बकवास प्रोडक्ट है. Don't buy this. Don't buy this at all, because if you have a sensitive eyes, this is going to burn your eyes like hell, and this is going to be all over the place. I mean अगर आप lower lash line पे लगाओगे, this is going to transfer on your upper eyelash as well, and this is going to, you know, smudge and not going to look pretty. I mean white kajal, if I'm applying just in my waterline, lower waterline, I don't want कि वो ऊपर जाके मेरे upper eyelash पे भी जाके लगे, I mean lash line पे जाके लगे, and वो बहुत ही horrible लगता है. It is not the cute look, and you don't want that, right? So this is a very disappointing purchase which I did. So moving on to the next purchase. Next I purchased is this Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. So this is really very nice, and the way it holds my eyelashes and curls my eyelashes and keeps it, you know, uplifted is awesome. This mascara is really very beautiful. I know that Better Than Sex mascara is very popular, very hyped, but I personally like this one because this, you know, works really well on my eyelashes. And along with this I purchased this lip injection maximum plump lip plumper from Too Faced, and there was an offer going on, you know, so if you purchase 3000 and above, so you get this full size melted matte lip color free. So yeah, this was a good deal. So let me show you the mascara, how it looks, and I have, you know, literally tried it multiple times on my channel, so how it functions most of you already might have seen in my previous videos. This is how it looks. I'm wearing it today on itself, and it does the job of, you know, curling my lashes and keeping it, you know, in place very nicely. It works really well on my eyelashes, so I personally love it. And talking about this lip injection lip plumper, I have tried it. I'm wearing it today only. So जहाँ तक प्लम्पिंग की बात है, it doesn't, you know, do anything much. I mean, as soon as you apply it on your lips, it just tingles थोड़ा बहुत, bearable होता है, इतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं. But it doesn't, you know, plumps up the lips as such. मैंने तो कोई as a major difference नहीं देखा. But I don't know. It is very hyped, very rave product, but I haven't seen major difference in my lips, and my lips still looks the same, so it doesn't do much of a plumping job. But yeah, it gives a beautiful shine to the lips. So as a lip gloss you can use it, but as long as lip plumping is concerned, this is not going to plump up your lips. This doesn't do anything for, you know, plumping thing. So let's talk about the free stuff which we all love. So the lipstick lip color I got free with this is shade name Lady Walls. Yeah, this is a true red shade. I mean, this is not pinky, not orangey, not maroonish. This is actually a true red shade which looks stunning on the lips, and the quality is amazing. I already have one shade in this. It is a nude shade. It is Sellout, I guess. Yeah, that is the shade name. So the staying power is amazing. Finish is beautiful. ये लिपस्टिक बहुत अच्छी है, and I'm very happy that I got free this stuff along with these products, because I was very disappointed with this lip plumper thing, you know, because it doesn't do anything for my lips. Okay, so moving on to the next product. Next, I purchased a foundation from Bobbi Brown. It is their longwear weightless foundation with SPF 15. It is in the shade Natural Tan. So this is little bit, you know, darker, not darker, but it is my summer color actually. So yeah, this is how the bottle looks like. It is in the beautiful frosted bottle. I already use Bobbi Brown foundation in their original formula. It is this one. I hope you can see the difference. So I just love the finish of this foundation. So it is about to finish, so I purchased a new one. So I really wanted to try this one because this has little bit of more coverage. This is a very light coverage. This is light to medium coverage. So I love the finish of this. So I don't know how this turns out. So let me show you the shade. The shade actually looks pretty decent. I mean, in summers this is going to look flawless on me, but I am afraid that in winters I don't think this is going to suit my skin, because this is pretty dark. Not pretty dark, I mean kind of darker, yeah. But yeah, again, this is going to work in summers. This is going to look flawless. So yeah, so I'll tell you how this goes, because this is flawless. This is in the shade Warm Beige 3.5, and along with this I got free lip color, mini lip color. So let me show you that one also. It is in the shade Natural Rose or Neutral Rose, Natural Rose. It is their Luxe lip color in the mini variant. So this is a beautiful pinky nude shade. This looks really beautiful on the lips, and I'm really happy. I love the packaging. I don't know, there is something about mini lipsticks. I just love mini lipsticks. They look so cute in the vanity. So yeah, this is the shade. This one is Bobbi Brown Neutral Rose. It looks flawless, right? It looks really very beautiful. The shade is really very pretty, and the formula is really very comfortable, and packaging is, oh my god, this gold and black packaging, it looks so stunning. So on to the next purchase. Next I picked up this Becca foundation. That is a sad news because Becca is going to shut down. I mean, Becca बंद हो रहा है, but I love Becca products anyways. I mean, their backlight priming filter, it is beautiful. Their highlighters are beautiful. So अभी तक मैंने उसका फाउंडेशन Becca का ट्राई नहीं किया था, तो I really wanted to try, you know, कि बंद होने से पहले let me try, because this foundation I heard so many good things about this foundation, and let me show you. It is very thick. I am wearing it today on my skin. मैंने बहुत पतला करके लगाया है, but this foundation is a full coverage foundation. So it is a Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation in the shade Buttercup, and this shade matches my skin perfectly. I mean, this looks like my skin. So my god, it is very thick. It is like almost like a cream. Yeah, here you can see. So this one is Becca and this one is Bobbi Brown. Yeah, so I have wore this foundation, I mean, multiple times, and it works really very nicely on my skin. I mean, it doesn't look cakey on my skin. Anyways, मैं foundation बहुत ही पतला करके लगाती हूँ, बहुत ही skin like. I mean, I don't apply a layer of foundation on my skin. I just apply a single thin layer of this foundation on my skin, and it does, you know, it manages to look like skin. So this foundation is beautiful. The finish is beautiful, flawless, and it doesn't budge. It stays. I got this foundation at 2600 because 40% का डिस्काउंट चल रहा था Becca पे, तो मैंने इसको 2600 में ही परचेज़ किया था, and it was really a good deal because this is really a very good full coverage foundation. So I'm really happy with this purchase. This is a flawless foundation, I must say. And along with that, I purchased this full size Moonstone highlighter. So actually I have a miniature in this. This is also in Moonstone highlighter. मैंने इसको एक कॉम्बो में परचेज़ किया था, नॉट परचेज़ किया था, मुझे गिफ्ट मिला था बेका की तरफ से. सो आई नो बेका का जो है वो शैम्पेन पॉप हाइलाइटर इज़ वेरी हाइप्ड, रेव्ड, but this one is little bit, you know, natural version of champagne pop, I would say, because this looks very natural on the skin. This looks like you are glowing from within. It doesn't looks like, you know, streak of highlighter on your face. This looks really very natural and within kind of a glow, which I like and which I look in highlighters, because I don't like, you know, very chunky and very in your face highlighters. I like a little bit subtle and within a glow kind of a highlighters. So yeah, that's why I purchased what's the name, Moonstone. So next I purchased is this nail paint remover. एक्चुअली मुझे दोनों ट्राई करना था, तो मैंने 2 नेल पेंट रिमूवर्स लिए हैं. सो दिस इज़ फ्रॉम कलाबार. दिस इज़ देयर, यू नो, स्पंज लिक्विड kind of a thing. I mean, इसमें you can, you know, I'm very clumsy. So इसमें they have already, you know, filled in the liquid and they have put, you know, sponge in this. So you just have to put your finger in this and the nail paint will come off. So मुझे try करना था because I have heard a lot of good things about this. So yeah, along with that I purchased a normal nail paint remover as well. So this is a liquid. So you can, you know, add liquid in this and again use it like that. It is very easy peasy. So yeah, and I'll mention the price tag here so you can check. First purchase in the skincare is this one. This is Face Shop का aloe vera gel. This is 99%. I mean, I have used it. मैंने इसकी पूरी बॉटल you have finish कर चुकी हूँ पहले ही. So this is actually a repurchase and this works very nicely on my skin. I use it for multiple things, in a face pack, in a face you know, gel kind of a thing. I mean face mask kind of a thing. उसके लिए भी I apply thick layer of this and, you know, go to sleep and yeah. So moving on to the next skincare purchases. Next I purchased few products from Be Minimalist. Actually I have opened. So there are few things जो मैं अपनी skincare में use करती हूँ. So I have purchased their vitamin C 10% plus AG 1%. This serum, I apply this serum in daytime. इससे पहले I was using Klairs का vitamin C serum in the day, but मुझे Be Minimalist का भी try करना था because I am very impressed by their all products. मैं उनके बहुत सारे products use करती हूँ already अपनी skincare में. So I thought to give this a go. And another skincare product, I mean also it is also serum. It is their hyaluronic acid serum. This is actually a repurchase. I have finished the whole bottle in this. Hyaluronic acid 2% and vitamin B5. So yeah, and it works really well on my skin. I have already done a review for this particular serum. So if you want to check, you can give it a go. I mean give it a look. So I'll link it here. सो ये सीरम अगेन बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है. आई यू नो अप्लाई इट अंडर माई मेकअप, अंडर माई retinol serum, or I apply it with this vitamin C serum as well. It works really very beautifully on my skin. So and their vitamin serum is also very nice, by the way. I'm using it since, you know, since a week, and yeah, it works really very nicely on my skin. So moving on to the another 2 skincare products which also repurchase actually. So it is, first one is this. This is a Squalene 100%. I use it in evening and night both of my skincare regime, and I rave about this product. बहुत अच्छा है. I mean this is a boon for the skin, dry skin. And next serum I have purchased is this retinol 0.3% plus Q10. So this is a packed product. I am already using one. It is in my vanity. So yeah, इसका retinol serum भी बहुत. These are the products which I purchased from brand Be Minimalist. And what else? Next is also a repurchase. It is Stock Up Cetaphil Daily Advance Ultra Hydrating Lotion. Again, not a new product. You already most of you already know that I love this product. I rave about this. This is my go-to moisturizer. I'm using it since years now. I mean, I don't remember since when I'm using it, and this is not going to be replaced anytime soon. So yeah. So next product I purchased is from Forest Essentials. It is their rose water tonic mist. So it is basically a rose water in the mist form. The spray of it is really very mild. It is so beautiful, so refreshing. It smells heavenly. So yeah, and I'm using it to freshen up my skin. I mean, after workout or during workout, this is very important. So इससे पहले I was using Kama Ayurveda का, but I thought this time कि इसको try करते हैं how it turns out, and it is very nice. It smells so beautiful, so heavenly, and yeah, I use it you can use it as a toner as well. I mean, this works really nice as a toner as well. So yeah, here we came to an end of this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and please do participate in the giveaway as well. And yeah, I love you all, guys, and I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.